Hello and greetings to everyone. Today we are going to do basic introduction of mechanics. What is mechanics? Most often when we hear the word mechanics, we always think of machines. Let's take this down. What is mechanics? We take down the definition. Let's write down the definition of mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of motion. It's objects which are moving, forces, push or a pull, and energy of objects. This is the definition of mechanics. Mechanics is divided into different branches which are these are the different branches. We take I by the margin. The first one we have kinematics. Kinematics. This is a branch of mechanics that deals with the study of motion without taking into consideration the mass of the object and the force that brings about motion. We take 2I, which is the next branch. We have kinetics. Kinetics is a branch of mechanics that deals with the study of bodies in motion and the forces that change the motion of bodies. This is the definition of kinetics. Then we note this down. Take this note. Kinematics and kinetics are referred to as refer to these two as dynamics, which is the study of motion under the influence of forces. That means kinematics and kinetics, they are referred to as dynamics. Dynamics is simply a study of motion under the influence of forces. We move now to the next branch, which is statics. 3I, we have statics. Here, statics, that means something that does not move. Statics is the branch of mechanics that deals with the study of forces in equilibrium. That means forces that cancel out, or objects at rest. We take down this small paragraph, write this down. Mechanics is a physical science since it deals with the study of physical phenomena. The basic concepts used in mechanics are, we have for space, time, mass, and force. We take this down, some key concepts for mechanics. The first one by the margin, we take I. The first concept we have motion. When we talk of motion, it is simply the description of an object, of an object's position, velocity, and acceleration. The next two I, we have rest. The type of rest, it is simply a description of an object that does not change its position with respect to time. Take the next one, 3i. We have forces. Force. When we talk of a force is simply a push or a pull that causes change in motion or shape, or it causes an object at rest to be in motion, or it causes an object in motion to be at rest. That is a force. We take the next concept, which is energy. Energy. When we talk of energy, it is simply the ability to do work. The next concept we have work. Work is done when a force causes an object to move a distance. So when a force causes an object to move a distance, then work is being done. Now we take down some uses of mechanics. One, engineering. Remember, when you hear of mechanics, you always think of machines. Mechanics is very useful in the field of engineering. Take this down in the design and analysis of machines, structures like buildings and systems. Mechanics is highly used in this. Two, in the sciences, especially in a subject like physics, mechanics is used in understanding natural phenomena and fundamental laws. For example, any object which is thrown up falls down back to the ground. Making use of mechanics, we can be able to understand why this phenomena occurs. We go now to next use of mechanics. We have energy. Mechanics is very useful in the production of electrical energy. Take this down, the production of electrical energy from hydroelectric dams and windmills. These are some of the basic uses of mechanics. There are many other uses which we are going to discover subsequently. We are done with the basic introduction of mechanics. In our next video, we are going to treat some fundamental concepts of mechanics. If in case you have any worries on what we have just treated, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.